My name is Kasey Shirey. I'm the General Manager at City Ford and City Chevrolet in Columbia City, Indiana. I want to talk a little bit today about choosing the right extended vehicle coverage for you and your needs. While so many people get caught up in the past experiences of others that purchased extended warranties, it tends to make people think it's a scam because it didn't cover this or it didn't cover that. There are so many warranties available. That's why it's very important to make sure you're very educated on the warranty you're purchasing for your vehicle. A lot of people try to upsell customers on warranties they actually don't even need. It's going to cover stuff they don't even have. So sit down with your advisor to make sure you are asking the right questions to get the right coverage for you and your vehicle. For example, if you're buying a Jeep Wrangler with crank-up windows, you probably wouldn't want to buy the premium coverage. It's going to cover more stuff than your car even has, and you're going to pay for a premium you don't even need. Another example of a warranty you may want to consider would be your tire, wheel, and care. There's so many potholes on the roads in Indiana today, and you hit a pothole or bend your wheel, it's going to take care of that entire wheel for you. And wheels today cost upwards of $500 or $600 per wheel. That's something you may want to consider looking into. Another example of a coverage you may want to consider, if you're buying an engine with a turbo on it, which most engines today come with turbos on them, even though you're buying a powertrain warranty thinking that would cover your powertrain, the turbo is in fact not part of the engine. You would want to upgrade to a better warranty to cover that turbo. And of course, if you only plan on keeping a vehicle for a 3 or 4 year term, you probably wouldn't need to invest in some of these extra coverages. However, if you're considering your vehicle an investment for long term, you certainly want to do the most you could to protect that investment. Extended warranties are nice when needed. However, if you have a rainy day fund and are a risk taker, the $3,000 to $4,000 repair could be okay. Like most of us, we don't have that $3,000 or $4,000 laying around to put a new engine in our car. So that makes the $25 to $30 a month in your payments seem a lot more feasible. My name is Kasey Shirey. I'm the General Manager of City Chevrolet and City Ford in Columbia City, Indiana. We're an A+ accredited business with the Better Business Bureau. If you have any questions or concerns at all about the purchase or service of your vehicle and don't know where to go or what to do, feel free to reach out to me. I'm not here to sell you a car or fix your car for you. I'm here to give advice. So if you need help with all, feel free to give me a call, 260-244-5111. I'll answer any questions you have and make sure you aren't getting taken advantage of.